And a very good Wednesday to you. I'm CNY Central First Alert meteorologist Matt Stevens. Got my eyes peeled on these almanac numbers. Normally this time of the year we look for a high up around 32 degrees. I think we end up a little shy of that this afternoon, but the good news is we're a little closer to that normal compared to where we were yesterday. Obviously yesterday we were in the midst of an Arctic outbreak, and we're starting to moderate those temperatures a little bit through this afternoon. Our record high is 67 degrees. That's set back in 1950. Our low temperature is normally 17 degrees. I think we'll be a little bit above that tonight. I'll show you why in just a moment, and ironically enough, it has to do with an approaching cold front. Minus 18 is our record low set back in 1981. Our sunrise 7:36, our sunset 4:42. Yesterday, just a hint over 3 inches of snow officially at the Syracuse Hancock Airport. For the month, a little over 5 inches. For the snowfall season, a little over 12 inches. That means we're about 33 inches below normal for this time of the snowfall season. Here's our futurecast. We're going to pick this up at the middle of today. It's not as frigid today, but it is still a little on the chilly side, like we mentioned earlier. We're at least closer to normal for this time of the year. Hour by hour through this afternoon, we've got our eyes peeled on some minor flurries and lake snow showers, mainly up just north and northeast of, to be honest, Lake Ontario. But what I'm interested in there is the fact that it may drift just barely into our North Country viewing area by late this afternoon. I'm not exceedingly concerned with massive accumulations, but I just want to let you know that the potential exists for a couple snow showers and flurries the farther north you head in our viewing area through this afternoon. Most of us are just under increasing cloud cover through the rest of today. Hour by hour through this evening, lake effect snow starts to develop in earnest northeast initially of the lake, and then see how our winds start to shift out of the west. That's going to bring the more intense lake effect snow east of Lake Ontario, and by 8 o'clock in the morning we're going to start to see that sag down a little farther to the south. So through the day tomorrow, winds continue that shift from west, and they're going to continue the shift out of the northwest. That's going to send that spray of lake effect snow and snow showers down into central New York. Not going to be covering every single person in central New York for every single second of the day. You know how it is with lake effect snow. We'll get those sporadic lake effect snow showers on northwest winds. Going to be a little breeze, and our temperatures will take a little bit of a hit through the day on Thursday. Hour by hour through Thursday evening, lake effect snow diminishes. We move to partly cloudy skies, and clouds will thicken up again with a little wave of energy near us. We'll call it an early rain, snow, mixed showers, especially the farther north you head in our viewing area. Then much of the day Friday may actually end up dry. So here's my hour by hour forecast. Through this afternoon, spotty flurries and light snow showers mainly up to the north. We're up to about 26 degrees for our high temperature, a little on the breezy side with our winds southerly at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Note the start of the wind shift southwest this evening at 10 to 20 miles per hour, and that's why our temperatures are suspected to warm up. I mentioned on the almanac graphic earlier, I'd tell you why we're going to be mild overnight. That's why. Southwesterly winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Lake snow mainly north off the northeast end of Lake Ontario, shifting to the east end of Lake Ontario overnight. Breezy, winds southwest 10 to 20 miles per hour, shifting to the west late at 29 degrees is where we're up to by about 5 o'clock in the morning. New snowfall by tomorrow morning. We'll call it a coating to a couple inches in that light blue shading, deep blue shading, anywhere from, well, we'll call it 2 to 4, maybe even localized higher amounts. Could be up to 5-6 inches off the east end of Lake Ontario by first thing tomorrow morning. Here's my 7-day forecast. Looking for a high this afternoon at 26. 26 is where we stay for tonight, and probably bump up to the upper 20s by first thing tomorrow morning. Cold front moves through tomorrow morning. That shifts our winds out of the northwest. Better chance of lake effect snow and snow showers for central New York. 34 our early high. That falls off to the upper 20s late. Lake effect dies off Thursday night. 25 is our low.